In today's video, I'll share with you the first of the 6 crucial elements you need to have in place in order to grow a successful and profitable coaching business. I like to think of these 6 elements like laying down the building blocks or success elements that will help you build a sustainable and profitable coaching business. And here are the 6 elements of a successful business. And as I said, the number 1 most important element is clarity. Know who you serve and what you serve. So for example, if you help overwhelmed managers eliminate that overwhelm and increase their productivity, then when you talk to a manager and you let them know about that, then they say, wow, that's really interesting. I would love to know more about that. And then you put them in your calendar, you set up a time to meet with them. Now that's a very hot lead, right? They raised their hand and they said, hey, I'm interested, I'm a overwhelmed manager. So the more clear and more specific you are with your services, the easier it will be to attract qualified leads. And this is also like a diagnostic tool, because you look at these levels and you say, which one is missing? Where is my business sick, right? And just keep in mind that the bottom ones, if the bottom ones are missing, let's say if you don't have clarity, you don't have credibility, then you can be as visible as, have millions of hits on your website, and you can attract lots of leads because let's say you're giving away a hot freebie. But because you are not clear on who your ideal client is and you're not clear on what exactly you provide, you will have difficulty converting those leads into paying clients. So the bottom ones are crucial for the success of the top ones to work. So all of this will become more clear as we'll go on. So alright, so let's get started. Today we will talk about the element number 1. The most important one is clarity and focus. What is the focus of your coaching? And as I said earlier, this is the area where most new coaches struggle the most, having a crystal clear understanding of the direction of their coaching business. Who exactly is my ideal client? Hint, not everyone. How can I reach my ideal clients most effectively? How can I word my message in order to be appealing to my ideal clients? What are the most time and cost-effective marketing activities that will generate maximum exposure and get me hired? Once you have the answers to these questions, and once you have that crystal clear focus, literally everything else in building your coaching business will become much easier. Mess this one up though, and even the best, most effective marketing strategies will generate no results, or will generate only minimal results. Therefore, it is crucial that you invest adequate time to putting in place this foundation element. Now, to implement this crucial step or crucial element into your coaching business, many of my clients find it helpful to first create a grand vision statement that encompasses what type of transformative value you bring to the world. The simplest way to create your vision statement is to express who you'll help and how will you help them. For example, in the next 10 years, I will help 100,000 families eliminate physical and emotional abuse, helping create loving and balanced relationships where all involved feel safe, respected, and loved. Now you're thinking, e.g. 100,000 families, that's crazy. Hey, it's a vision. It's your vision, okay? So don't limit yourself. If you will help only 1,000 families, that will be amazing. And remember that you can do this through articles, through videos, through your ebooks, through your books, webinars, in a multitude of ways. Don't limit yourself. You can get only as big as you allow yourself to get. If your vision is to have 20 clients a month and you reach that vision, yes, you will make, I don't know, $10,000 a month if you charge $500 per client. But you will work a lot, and I mean a lot. I've been there. Once I had more than 15 clients, my head was spinning. I was remembering the wrong information for the wrong clients. So it can get really tiring. And and that's it. You limited yourself. That's what you do. You're serving now your 20 clients, and it becomes like a job because you're stuck behind your desk, or even though you're sitting on your porch watching the ocean, it became like a job because you're tied to that chair or to that schedule. So don't limit yourself, and I will share with you some ways how you can share your gifts with the world and make money without having to just coach. I like to coach 5 to 6 clients, no more than that. And I really enjoy group coaching, and I do videos. I have membership sites, and of course I published a bunch of books. So I will share with you how to create that type of presence and how to share your gifts with the world in a multitude of ways. Actually, on one of the videos or one of the days or the emails that you'll get from me, I will give you a chance to download my 21 ways to share your coaching with the world and make money with each of those 21 ways. So okay, I got sidetracked here. Moving on. Now, if you choose to, you can make your vision statement longer, adding how you will bring about that transformation. So building on our previous example, I will help 100,000 families. I will accomplish this through one-on-one coaching, group coaching, my home study courses, webinars, my radio shows, spreading the word as a guest on radio shows, publishing multiple books. It's your vision statement. We all have strength, so make sure that you find that strength. Maybe you do great being a guest on radio shows. Maybe you're great at putting on webinars. Now, don't jump at that yet, because putting on webinars is an art. There's a sequence to it. There's a method to it, and if you don't implement that method, then you don't sell. I put on many webinars, probably more than 100 webinars in the first 5 years, and barely sold anything through my webinars because I did not do them the right way. So there's a method to everything, and we'll talk about it. But again, this is your vision statement, so make it as detailed as you want it, and include, ideally, how will you accomplish your vision. And again, try to capitalize on your strength. Now, for me, public speaking was not a strength. I actually used to have a phobia, a really bad phobia of public speaking, but because I heard it over and over again that public speaking is #1 way to get coaching clients, I got myself a coach. I joined Toastmasters. I've been a member there for more than 10 years, been area governor for a couple of years, president for 5 years, won lots of awards at speech contests and all that. It was fun, but also I overcame my fear of public speaking, and Toastmasters is probably the #1 reason for helping me with that. So yeah, it's your vision statement. Make it as detailed as you want to. Just make sure that the first paragraph of it encompasses the purpose of your coaching business. That's the key. So your vision statement will be a good guiding statement for you that will give you clear direction. Here are 2 more examples. I will help 10,000 small business owners eliminate overwhelm, reduce stress, and improve productivity, allowing the business owner to create balance between their business, self-care, and family. I love it. Here's another one. Through my coaching, videos, webinars, ebooks, articles, and other resources, I'll help 1 million people around the world find their life's purpose and live regret-free lives. I love it. It's beautiful. But of the 3 vision statements, this last one would be the hardest to monetize. I'll help 1 million people around the world find their life's purpose and live regret-free lives. It's way too wide. It's way too wide, and when somebody wants to find their life purpose, they buy a book from Amazon. Now, if you position yourself the right way, you can get clients even for a wide niche like this. Okay, I think I will talk about that in a second, so let me move on here. So yeah, it's not impossible, but way harder than the first two. The first two sample vision statements contain the name of the coach's ideal clients or target market. In sample number 1, it was families, right? She wanted to help 100,000 families. And then in the second one, the small business owners. The third vision statement, while the purpose of it is honorable, it encompasses anyone on the planet, right? The good news, though, that even with a broad niche like that, you can choose to target a narrow group such as professionals or college students or any other clear target market who you can develop affinity with. A good vision statement will contain both what do I propose to accomplish, and you should be as specific as possible. How do you propose to serve the world and your clients? And who will benefit from the value I provide? Again, the more specific, the easier to monetize.